Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be cutting acrylic. I got some 3mm and I got some 1/4 inch clear, and we're going to be making a cool project, so stick around. Okay, to run a material test on my RF laser, my CO2, I'm in Lightburn. I've got version 16.03 currently. I'm going to go up here to Laser Tools, go to Material Tests, and under Material Tests, let's see, I've got a preset. I've already done this, so let me go down here. What you're going to see I've just cut, so clear acrylic 1/4 inch. Okay, I've got 5 by 5 rows across, 5 rows down. Under speed, I'm starting at 3mm a second, a max at 20mm a second. My squares are going to be 10mm squares. Underneath power, I'm going to start at 50% power, stop at 100% power, and once again 10 by 10 squares. And then I can simply preview it by hitting the preview button. Let me pull that over here where you can see it. And that's what it's going to look like once it cuts. The frequency on this RF laser is 1 to 25. It's defaulted to 20. I've got that image on the screen that you've seen in the background. Let me see well, I can't show it to you at the moment, but I've got an image on the screen that's giving me my line interval at 0.100 millimeters. It's 1/4 inch acrylic that I got from Home Depot. I don't know, I think I'm going to repeat myself here, but it's like 5mm thick, 5.5mm thick, and it's extruded acrylic, 1/4 inch. I think it's extruded anyway. I bought it 4 or 5 years ago for another purpose. An enclosure I had on one of my printers, my FDM printers, so that's what I'm working with today. So we'll go ahead and we'll run that. I'll simply frame it. If you need to get it exactly where you want it on the bed, you can close this window. You can come over here to this map icon, which I have it right here on my work. I'll frame it, I'll run the job, get it where I want it, and then I'll hit the start button and then it'll go. So without further ado, let's get going.
Terry in Las Vegas town, creating magic all around, with the lasers humming sound, metal tube and light unbound. 3DHP's the name they hold, partnered up with Far and Bold, Pascal Liu and stories told, in the night where dreams unfold. Magic on the Haotian, lasers lighting up the men. HT 460 RF shines bright in the desert's endless night.
Okay, let's see how the work came out. Move my camera. Well, something cool I just found out. If you put a magnet on the inside of the acrylic on the outside, then you can take your camera and position it wherever you want. Because the camera has this little metal piece in the bottom, it'll grip it, and you can just angle it up or down or wherever you want, or put it wherever you want it across your work. This is a big piece of acrylic I bought at Home Depot like 6 years ago. I'm not sure if it's cast or extruded. I used this on an enclosure that I had, so that's what I'm currently running my tests on for my 1/4 inch acrylic. See how everything came out? See if you can see that real good. About 1/4 inch, it cut it fine. That you can see a speed of 3 and then 7, 87% power. So the bottom row came out, and then these first 2 came out. I'll show you an actual picture on the screen if that's not showing up really good. But yeah, it's some real thick stuff. Done very well.
Laser cutting fast, future tech that's built to last. Jerry's touch and Pascal's cast, waters break the steel they blast, metal dances in the light, crafting wonders.
Okay, let's take a look and see how it came out on 3mm acrylic. And depending on what lens you have in here will always affect your work, so you always want to run tests. The way you can see. Looks like most of the bottom row came out there, no problem. And I'll show you close-ups on this in a regular picture. So that was a speed of 10 at anywhere from 20 to 100% power. 3mm acrylic, no problem.
Left and right, Las Vegas, a neon sight. 3D HT takes its flight. Techno dreams in.
Okay, let's go ahead and show this came out. Pretty cool. Haotian. Pascal Liu. Pascal approves. And that's a quick little test on 1/4" acrylic and 3mm acrylic. And if you'd like to make little light boxes like this, you can go over on Amazon, you can pick these up individually, two at a pair. Some are pre-cut, where all you have to do is engrave them, which a diode laser can do it. But if you have, you want to cut out of a sheet or something like I did right here with this, you'd have to get a fiber laser. A CO2, excuse me, I said that wrong. You'd have to get a CO2 Gantry laser. Whether it's a CO2 and RF laser, that's what it takes to cut clear acrylic. I would like to give a shout out to Tico Laser Creations here on YouTube. He has an awesome channel, and he does have this exact laser that I'm using here. And he has tons and tons of videos and great content on his channel. Please go check him out, subscribe, it's free to do so. Please leave a thumbs up whenever you watch his content or anybody else's content. And let me just kind of scroll down through here, you can see some of his videos. But he has a lot of great content, tests lasers, builds all kinds of really cool projects. And he is a partner with Pascal, with Haotian also. And please, help the channel grow here. Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so very much. Please consider subscribing, it's free to do so. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, I would really appreciate it. 1/4" acrylic, no problem. 3mm clear, no problem. I plan on getting some 1/2" in the near future, and I'll be testing on that to see how well it does. So, Tico Laser Creations, check them out. Cool channel. Go over, give him a subscribe. Watch his videos. Great content there. Pascal Liu, this sign came out amazing. Love it. Multicolor. You can make pretty much anything you can think of out of any type of material you want. Fiber lasers, diode lasers, RF CO2 Gantry lasers. They're all amazing equipment. Pascal Liu with Haotian has all your needs covered. He has pretty much anything you could ever want. But if you're interested in an RF laser like this, $4,500 shipped to the US. That is an amazing price. Unbelievable. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested. Contact Pascal Liu. Mention Jerry at 3DHP and he'll refund you $100 off your purchase price if you buy one of their lasers. They got all kinds of equipment. I'd like to thank all my channel members here on YouTube. I'll list them all on the screen. Really appreciate each and every one of you that stuck around to the end of the video. And until next time, happy laser engraving. And I got some cool pics I'll show you close-ups right after this. Later, guys.
Desert air, glowing beams that blaze and flare. Jerry's vision bold.